The four nations lived together in harmony. Then, everything changed when the Fire Nation attacked.
I love Avatar. Avatar: The Last Airbender is an animated series created by Nickelodeon that ran for 3 seasons starting in 2005. There's also been a sequel series, a movie, and a few books, but none of it is really worthwhile. The 3 seasons of television is the only thing I'd recommend without any caveats. I was certainly aware of Avatar when it was airing, but I wasn't a Nickelodeon guy. I would catch a few episodes here and there, but I wasn't invested in the show. I ended up watching the movie before I actually sat down and watched the show, and yeah, the movie sucks. But it was so bad that it convinced me to actually watch the show, just so I could have a better reason to be just as mad as everyone else. And wouldn't you know it, Avatar: The Last Airbender is in the same tier as Batman and Fullmetal Alchemist. It's just a damn near perfect show. Perfect cast, stellar animation, a creative blend of Eastern and Western influences, a likable character who goes on a compelling arc, a powerful and intimidating villain, a strong supporting cast. If this show added a cute redhead, a dinosaur, and some more sailing, it would literally be my perfect dream show. It's also got that perfect blend of serialized and episodic storytelling. Each episode can stand on its own, but they all have nuggets of development that all build towards the finale of the series. That's another strength in its favor. It didn't wear out its welcome. The endgame is set up pretty early on, and they build to it the entire series. You can tell they planned this out to be 3 seasons, made those 3 seasons, and then bowed out. And then Korra came along and was barely passable at best. Avatar: The Last Airbender is a thrilling adventure full of wonderful characters, creative action, and tons of mythos and atmosphere. It's definitely one of the benchmarks for a children's show and deserves all the praise it gets, and that's why I love Avatar.